Why don't you tell me? Ooh, yeah, yeah. Why don't you tell me? Ooh, yeah, yeah. Why don't you tell me? Ooh, yeah, yeah. Why don't you tell me what you want, what you need, what you feel? Oh, why don't you tell me what you want? Ooh, yeah, yeah. What you need now, what you feel? Oh, yeah. Won't you please tell me what you want, what you need, what you feel? Oh, why don't you tell me what you want? Ooh, yeah, yeah. What you need now, what you feel? Oh, yeah. Won't you please tell me? Ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah.
You're listening to DJ Rohan.
It's a London thing. It's a London thing. This is a London thing. It's a London thing. It's a London thing. This is a London thing. It's a London thing. The art of the massive baser. Brings the baser. Shake the baser. Brings the baser. Sounds of the baser. Brings the baser. Baser. Shake the baser. This is a DJ. It's a London thing. This is a massive baser.
The other day we talked all night on the phone. I learned so many things that I never know. You don't have to worry about what you say to me. Keep it to myself so secretly. One thing you said, such coincidence, that you would never say exactly what you meant. But I'm glad you know you wanna be with me. It's my desire, I want you to see.
I forget to stop the mixer. Sorry, and this can cause me problem with YouTube very well. I will cut it. I will cut this part. Okay, now you can hear me for sure. It was a little mistake. I opened the desktop audio and closed the mic instead of open the mic and close the desktop mixer. So yes, that was big mistake from me. Very well done. No problem. I didn't mention something special, just telling around the general situation with the American market that is pushing again on top. They recover yesterday pullback we had after I closed the live, stopped the stream. And yes, DAX is it's a little bit weaker, not as strong as the United States one, but it's recovering anyway from the bottom of yesterday. And gold every day a new all-time high, and that is because okay, you don't hear again, but the mic is set the same way, Daniela. You don't hear. Microphone is here, just outside the camera, but here, so you should hear me. So I was telling that maybe I can raise the volume a little bit. How is it now? Maybe better. Okay. So all-time high for gold, and yes, this is maybe a preparation of an edge, forecasting a crash in the stock market in the coming year. We're gonna see that if it's true or not, but for the moment everything is bullish, so we will take this into consideration and try to follow the trend, and do short trades only for street scalping, and only if we have really clear sign. Oh, thanks Roberto for the feedback. Good sound, very good, perfect. So now it's okay. And most probably you hear the music better than me, because for me it was just a background, but with the desktop sound you should hear everything. So I will have to cut it from YouTube, and hope that because it's the first stream on Twitch, they will forgive me. Very good, thank you Daniele. Let me greet my friends on Twitch as well, and remind about my social network to follow it. Thank you. Please use the chat, guys, anytime. It will be very important for me. I'm almost there, almost affiliate in just 1 week, so thank you very much. We are small, still small, but not that small, so thank you very much, appreciate. Okay, let me check a few things and then we can start. Hopefully the market will be more active, and we will see how is it. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. So Okay, the slope of Nasdaq is going down a little bit, so maybe there will be a chance. Of course, it's building the classic wedge as always. Now we always go this way, and it's something like this, almost exhausting. 1, 2, 3. We're almost there, but we will wait. Okay, just let me show you a couple of signals we had. Like yesterday, it opened here, second position here, and it goes, this is the first signal, but this doesn't exist, guys. It's the same mistake that the indicator does, so this is not a signal. This one was a signal, first one, second one, we win here. Then afterwards we had a pretty good one on DAX as well. Let me show you. We had yesterday DAX here, second one here with the divergence, and today we had first one here, second one here, first position, second position. We won at the second attempt, as sometimes happen, not always the first time is the good one. And then afterwards we have a very good ones on Dow Jones. Let me show you. One was here, perfect, goes down straight, and another one after the top of today, and it fell down. So for today, this strategy is working very well. Now we have only to wait for some setup. We can use it and see if we can do something nice today. We are up 755 52 sorry euro, so it will be nice to reach 1,000 euro earn in 4 days today. So this is my target for today. I will try my best to reach this goal, and let's see if I can do it. So okay, let's check this one. Need a little room more. Let's take a look also at the situation on candlestick chart. So here the slope is about to cross below the moving average, so this is a short forecast for the opening of Wall Street. That will be in less than a quarter of hour, and afterwards let me check what we got. Okay, sorry, this one I was working on another indicator, not relevant now. Okay, so let's put this one here, so we will have the candles to check how is it going, and we also want to check the situation of Dow Jones on candlestick chart. Perfect, let me show you. Here we are. So let me zoom out a little bit, and yes, the same as Nasdaq, so maybe there will be some pullback during the opening. So yes, we can find some short setup maybe and see, but nothing seems to be there almost set for a trade. So also today we have to be patient and wait for a good moment. Anyway, at the beginning of the live I was listening to a set of classic garage music from UK. Very nice DJ set. Real classic. Let's a little look at oil. Anyway, this indicator is pretty precise also on candlestick. You see, it's a short here, and it fell down from 64 to 63. And then afterwards we had another one here, and when we have the first green candle, it raised from 58, 44, 59, 78, not bad. And then afterwards we had another one here, 2 days ago, sorry, around 58 straight, 58, 88, so not so bad. But we don't need this rank overlay on candlestick chart. We don't need. Okay, so here we are. So regarding euro, wait a sec, need to clean this template, make it like this. Okay. So let's see what we can. For sure, the slope is going down so bad, and you see we had an excess here on almost all the indicators. This one, OBV here goes out the band. So when it goes out the band is a pretty strong signal. It happened here, it happened also here, and it falls a little bit. It happened here and it goes up. It happened here, goes down. It happened here again, it goes down. So this is a very good indicator. So if the slope is going down, it means there is a chance to go down. The histogram is red. We had the marker on top. CCI almost on top, so maybe if they test this support they set today, and it's around 116.50, 116.45, if it breaks down this level it can fall down and try to come back to 116.30, so it can come back here where yesterday there was a resistance or something, can be another support. So you have to check. If they attempt to test this support, I suggest not to buy, because the situation, at least on an algorithm base, is not so bullish. For Luigi, yes, if it's euro dollar, maybe it's short. For US market, it's impossible to tell. There's no way, because every day it seems that they can sell, they can go down, and then afterwards in a couple of hours they recover and they come back on top. So like yesterday we saw Nasdaq on 24,950, it was there since to break out, then afterwards it fall down 400 points and then it recovers everything. So easy. So we don't know, it's so hard to define, no clear trend. That's why I prefer to try only scalp trades. So that's it. Okay, guys, it's 7 minutes to the opening of Wall Street, so let's check what we have. Okay. US market. I don't know, Luigi. I don't know. The slope is going down, so normally when they open with the slope going down, they go down. But then afterwards they recover anyway, so that's the problem. They come back and start to grow up again. New all-time high for gold again. And okay, it's 5 minutes now to the opening of Wall Street. Finally, let's hope they will move a little bit. We will maybe check how is it going here. Let's put a 2 minutes time frame. Is pretty good. Yesterday was more interesting than just a 1 minute market. Let's check. Okay. 4 minutes. For sure, we have to wait. It seems to going up a little bit. Not clear. Not clear, so better don't do anything. Don't use the strategy on the opening because it's dangerous. We are there, so most probably they will go up, down. It will be like a pinball, I guess, in the first minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. Almost there, almost time. Take a little look at the volumes. See how much they increase. And check. So it's 2 minutes right now. All right. And let's see what's going on the market. So yes, this pre-one almost reached. We missed the RSI, CCI. Of course, it's better to give the market a little time before entry, because exactly at the opening can be dangerous. So we will wait. Maybe if there is some engulfing, we can have some clues about what to do, where they want to go. I have a feeling that in the first minutes they will try to go up and find the yesterday top on Nasdaq. 1 minute now. So let's see what we can do. Try not to make mistakes. Okay, it's almost time, guys. Let's hope there will be some volatility to make some trades. Need to do some good one. Okay, time. Nasdaq can try to rise now, and we will see if they try to reach that resistance area. Was very strong yesterday, 24,950. That was the area resistance, very strong. We saw many attempts, never passed. Let's see if gold fall down a little bit. We can try this divergence with the slope down. We will do it with the minimum lot just to start do something, okay? Because with Americans can be a long story. Maybe DAX can be okay in the coming minutes. Let's see. I will zoom it a little bit so you can see better. Okay, we need the RSI of course as well. As expectation, Nasdaq goes again to the resistance area. Careful, because it's turning red, the histogram, so it's setting a divergence, and we will trade this. Will trade this in case, and of course we will do with 0.5, okay, lots, not so much because it's dangerous. Okay, we did it. Now I send a quick target, and I prepare to raise it because it's not sure that the first attempt we will go to reward, but Okay, let me cancel this. I want to get some more. Let's try for 20 and see what's going on. You have no idea the sound I have in my headphones. Okay, let's see what happened here. Dow Jones is going down, guys, while Nasdaq is still strong, the strongest. DAX is going down. Okay, let's see if Nasdaq can break this area. Otherwise, we will try to go on top again. Let's manage also a setup on German DAX potentially. I put the candle here and we wait if we have the signal to buy. But let's wait a little bit, because if Nasdaq pays out, it will be better to manage just one trade at a time. Okay, let's see if Nasdaq push a little bit more. I will go to take profit. And in the meantime, it's almost time for DAX. But okay, let's wait. Let's focus on Nasdaq only. It's still strong, only the first one. Okay, let's see if they push a little bit more. We need like 10 points more. Okay, come on, little bit more. Oh yes. I told you I trust so much this strategy. It becomes red, it set a new top, and then this represents a very good divergence to do. So, okay. Now we can switch to DAX. No, because it comes red, I don't like it. So we will wait a little bit. We will still insist on Nasdaq, especially if we make another top. We can try to short it again, because it will be a good one anyway. Let me show you the situation here. €92.66, and we are up 840, so only 160 missed to reach our target, more €1,000 in 4 days. No. Decide not to take DAX, but it seems good one. But it's turning red as well. And the slope is going a little bit down. No signal from the composite index, so no way to enter this trade. And gold is keep going on, never stop. It's impossible, guys, it never stops. Check a couple of stuff. Okay, yes, DAX was good one. We can catch 10 points more, but it's okay. Don't want to risk so much. Maybe in case Nasdaq will be faster to go to target, we can do it, but not on these circumstances. So let's stick to Nasdaq and Dow Jones. Can be interesting now. Let's see if they give us some setup, some quality one. And as I told you, I expected a pinball on the opening because the slope was not clearly in a single direction, but it was like flat little bit, so it goes up and then it's going down now, more on Nasdaq than on Dow Jones, but still not clear what they want to do. Of course the histogram are all red, and the only one that is still green is Dow Jones, you can see, but this situation is not a good situation for trading. Is not something we want to see when we decide to enter the market. So hold on, wait, and wait for a quality signal, and we will have for sure. Don't worry. Okay, Nasdaq started to goes up again, and if we make a new top, we will try to go short again, because this is supposed to be a decent divergence. When market reaches a top and on top it's already red, that means that market should go down, and really many times it's very reliable, this setup only with the histogram. So I was very confident when I opened this trade and we make our first gain. So now we have to wait and see, find something good if possible. And anyway, yes, maybe we will try to short gold, but just a participation trade, just to make like symbolic 10 euro, just to participate and just to see if they decide to make some decent pullback sometimes, because they don't show it at all. It's crazy, and for my friend Luigi, I have a video to send you afterwards. Please remind me. So Nasdaq is trying to break out the top, almost there, and there we are. It did it, and be careful guys, because now we are there where we were today. Exactly. So it will go to break it out because it's the third attempt. It's even possible to attempt a breakout by 10-20 points now, but I will not do it because it's not part of my method. So I will try only by that, but I expect it to rise. Exactly, told you. First 10 is done, reach 15. Let's see if it goes to 20 as expected. This is not my stuff, this is Martin Pring stuff. Fourth attempt, breakout or breakdown. And we got it. This one doesn't exist. It's a mistake again of the indicator. Yesterday I tried with ChatGPT, it was a pretty good mess. Not so easy to do something like this. We don't have RSI, so we don't short it now. Even though the slope is very good, this one is good. Divergence is too long from here to here. We needed one more candle and it didn't manage to do it, so we wait. If it does and we have sell set up afterwards, we will do it, not now. Even though if they want to make a pullback, they have to do it here, because otherwise this resistance really, if it's a fake out, it will go down. Prefer not to take it because we don't know, it's 50-50. Of course my signal is good, but we miss this RSI. So yes, that was a good one. see what it does. This doesn't exist. This doesn't exist. I want to fix this stuff because I don't like it, because it affects all of my indicators. Maybe my RSI doesn't reach the level because of this red, and I don't know. I need to calculate, but it's so complicated when I'm managing two different platforms to stream on. I have five different markets to follow. It's too much. I prefer just to focus on one thing, but this indicator I have to fix 100%, otherwise it will be a problem, and I don't want it. Not a good thing. Anyway, in my opinion, it should fall more than this. We should expect at least a test of this area here. Okay, we are here. Let's see what they want to do. This is the third attempt on the support. Let's see if they can break it. Okay, we reached the area. Let's see if they break it. They should, given the setup. This could also open to a huge sell-off when it's like this. Look at the pattern on candlestick. Looks like a double top. Divergence here for sure, 100%. So let's wait and see. We will go for gold now, but it has to complete this red brick here. We are still on this divergence, so we must try. I will try with the 002. There's some decency. And just wait. Again, fake candles, getting crazy. I will try to talk with the guy who created this indicator. Is Italian, so we can speak our mother language. Gold doesn't want to fall down. It's impossible, guys. Gold is impossible. Just go up like crazy. And this is a huge financial trick from United States to reset their debt. Buy gold and stable coin. It's a big trick. Somebody in Russia complains about that, and in my opinion, that guy was right. But nobody tells us what they want to do. Let's see. Please gold do something because the other one are not interesting now. Okay, let's take a look at DAX as well. And now we don't have anything. But I want to trade this situation on gold because here it reads everything. Yes, it makes this pullback and it was even pretty nice, but still not completed. And this slope is telling us something about a possible pullback of gold. Nothing interesting here on Nasdaq. Is very bad situation, not clear, and even worse on Dow Jones. So let's check if we have something from gold. This one we don't need it anymore, so I will give some more depth. Both. Oops. DAX and gold, we'll see better. And see, must go here to close the red candle, and then we will try to reach these areas, try and catch a couple of Renko bricks, nothing more. Almost time for gold. Let's see if they accelerate a little bit. Okay. So here is the area. Okay. Very small trade, just to see what happened here. You know, it will be just like €6, €10, nothing special, but I don't care on gold. I don't want to risk it, just to see if the strategy works and stress it a little bit without money troubles, because with the minimum lot is like this, it's not a problem at all. Just want to check because the strategy should be okay, and this could be a quality setup. So okay, the first candle it closed very fast, and afterwards maybe let me show you what's going on candle. We almost reach, and then afterwards they creating this spike. They are creating, but we wait. It's not a problem. We are not risking anything with the small lot, micro lot. So that's it. Okay, they are thinking what they want to do. It's not very interesting session even today, guys, unluckily. But anyway, some setup we had. This one on DAX was a very good one. And this one of on gold, if it goes, it's very good one because it was pretty fast. We sell here 1 minute, 2 minutes. This is the third minute. Maybe in 5 minutes we can do it. Let's see. Looks like DAX yesterday when we make this sell trade, little bit time for waiting, and let's see. Now we are so close to the opening of the hourly bar in just 1 minute, so that's why they are not pulling down, because otherwise it will compromise the scenario on gold, so they are trying to sustain it. Okay, let me check. Okay, we sold it 1, 2, 3 minutes. Okay. Okay, so now the hourly candle close. Let's see what they want to do. Buy, of course, what they want to do on gold, they buy. You know, it rise by $2,000, so why don't catch a $14 pullback? Of course, very good opportunity. Boring. So okay, nothing to do on Americans, and DAX as well is not interesting at all. So we stuck to this position and we will lose a lot of time because it does this, didn't do this part extra, so we have to wait. We lose a lot of time. You see, they open the hourly bar and they start buying because they don't want to lose even half an hour selling. They have to buy on gold. It's crazy, but there is a reason. And for Daniele, yes, it's still short. I want you to watch one video. You know that yesterday they hack YouTube. Okay guys, let's take a look at this video when you have time, and then afterwards you will understand what's going on gold. It's very, very well explained, and I agree with that. So okay, we have to go for the second step on gold. We will set another all-time high. So stupid. That's why I made it with just one micro lot, because I knew them start so well, but then afterwards they decide to buy like crazy again. Even though the slope is going really down, but if they push like this, it will go up again. I will put it here because I want to see what happened on Nasdaq anyway. And it's not time to buy, no signals at all. We don't have nothing now for the moment. So okay guys, I don't think will be so fast on gold. If it goes down so fast, we don't need to buy again. So I will take a break a little bit and come back like always in 5 minutes. So I will leave the chart open. I will just stop the mic and the webcam. See you very soon, guys. Okay guys, I'm back, and yes, gold is still going on. We are down by the huge amount of 13 euro, but it's not a problem, and when we will have the second red candle we will sell again and check what's going on. Nothing to do on the Americans, and yes, maybe we have a little divergence on DAX, but it's not nice. Okay, let's see if gold close the second red one, we will enter again. And yes, now we have a situation on Nasdaq, but he has to rise more, and RSI should reach with CCI together. They have to reach the overbought area. They still didn't. The slope is still flat, not significant. Dow Jones is dead, and DAX, we will wait it later because it's not time yet. So let's stack on gold and see what's going on. Maybe it will be like yesterday, I will stop streaming and everything will start to happen. But anyway, let's focus on gold. Let's see if it goes down here and we can open the second position. Maybe they want to create a second setup here. Let's see. I'm ready in case. For Daniele, watch that video I send on chat because it will explain you a lot about the situation, and it's interesting for dollar. Lets you trade euro dollar, so you will see what they are doing on dollar and on gold as well, because this is the trick, the joke they are doing to reset their debt. So yes, if it's correct, euro dollar in the long term will be higher than this. Okay, let's see if gold managed to close its bar. Zoom it a lot so you can see it better because the chart is small, but I want to check Nasdaq as well. Nasdaq turned to green again. No way. And gold, anytime they sell a little bit, they're already there to buy whatever they can buy. USA is the referee of the stock market, and it's like Byron Moreno. I already tell everything. Okay, maybe they try again. Okay, maybe it's time now. They're testing this level so much. It's crazy they cannot break just a stupid support like this. maybe. Oh, come on. They're buying again. How is that possible? Okay. So we enter with the second position. Our average price is here, 54.14. So this is here. Okay. So let me set a common take profit. Okay, so I will change the color of the average price. I will turn to yellow. So we are here. So if they close at least one extra red, we are done. But they already start buying again. If they don't close straight directly this candle red and they close another green one, I will close this position and I will remove gold from my chart because I cannot see something like this. It triggers me so much. Especially now that I know why they are doing it. It's unacceptable and it's a big violation of all the rules of the free market. It's all that I believe in. And it's not acceptable anymore. I recommend to watch that video. And maybe we will put something instead of gold, because gold is under manipulation. It's not possible at all. Like, okay, I don't care. That's why I put a small amount, but I don't like to trade on an unfair market that is totally manipulated. Like, okay, also stock market are, but not that much. This is like on gold, there is a second reason why it's growing up, and it's not tolerable. That's why you see shit like this, and especially something that I would like to show you. What is this? If not manipulation. It is indeed, and there is a reason that basically United States are tricking everybody on finance to save their huge debt in an unfair way. So better not trade this. It's truly unacceptable. And in the meantime, I don't have anything else to do. At least it will be interesting to show you the strategy under stress, because they will set a new time high again, and we will have to do another trade. And don't think that gold will fall someday, because it will not. it will be very clear after the video you watch. Guys, this is another annoying session, nothing happened, very boring, and we got to wait because nothing happened here, only gold goes up. This one on America, they try to pull back, then afterwards they buy back again, and we are still there all the time. Nothing happened, we don't go anywhere. Yes, that's very interesting, Daniela, and it's something not acceptable. That's why I was telling it's better to stop trade on gold, because yes, you can try and buy it like crazy, but you don't have good entry point, and maybe sometimes they will take 1 week when they pretend to sell so they can buy again even more. Not a good market when there is this kind of manipulation. It's better to avoid. Look how the situation looks in Dow Jones. What is this? Guys, this look like yes, maybe the end of the bull market, but I don't know, not now for sure, maybe the end of the year, next year. But I don't know, because it's all manipulated, it's all artificial. As I said on Monday, artificial intelligence, artificial markets. And gold keep going on. Nasdaq on top by itself. Now we don't have this. We are outside of the band, so we can try to go short on Nasdaq. By 0.50, $5 per point when they close a red candle. Okay, now gold is trying to go down a little bit, let's check. Okay, so the area is around 25 rounded, 25,000, and we are a little bit below, so it can be a decent area for a short. It goes, the OBV goes out of the band, so it's supposed to be a very good signal for a just scalping trade. In the meantime, gold is trying to come back down here where we have our second entrance, so let's wait a little bit. Okay, let's see if Nasdaq made it. Gold already buying back again. It's crazy, this. Unbelievable. If they try to sell for 5 minutes, they are ready to buy again on gold. It's really, really crazy. It doesn't make sense. Or it make if you know the reason, but I don't accept it, guys. So after this trade, I will remove gold from my watch list, because if they don't even make pullback when they make new all-time high, it's better to stop it. Okay, so on the first red candle we will sell Nasdaq by 0.5 lots. Now everything is going up. So Nasdaq is pushing very much now. Now we basically have everything to try and scalp short. And the fact that makes me crazy is that they are doing on plain sight. They don't even try to do it a little bit better, to hide it a little bit. No, they make on plain sight. They want to recover the debt with gold and stable coin, and they do it like this. Every day goes up by 3%. Okay, all right. And nobody check because they are who should check. If American goes on like this, there will be a war for sure, because there is no way to make them come to reason. So okay, so gold close this red one. Let's see if they can close another one, and we will go to target, and then we will say goodbye. And waiting for Nasdaq to do something. Okay, so maybe now it's time. We were very close. No, I was checking gold and I lost trade on Nasdaq. Let's see. No, sorry guys, I was checking what's going on gold and I lost the sense on Nasdaq. Sorry, it's almost 2 hours also for me. I'm tired. And for a stupid trade, I lost a good one. Very good. Perfect. Maybe we will have a divergence to trade on afterwards. But for sure, we have the chance to do it on DAX now. Look, we have everything correct. You see? Divergence, red one. Okay, we will try and sell DAX. See what we can do. Now I'll show you what's going on DAX. Target is here. So let's see if we have some quality. Setup is good. Level as well. It's okay, DAX doesn't want to go down, so I guess we will have to make a second one even on DAX. No problem. Every problem now market is in ignore list, guys. It's very tough to go short. Even though on Nasdaq was good, but I lost it because I was checking what happening on gold and I was stupid because that was a good one. And of course now gold will go up because it's 10 minutes to the closure of the hourly bar and they will never leave some upper shadow on the candle. Otherwise somebody will try and sell. It can't happen to fall down by 1 hour or for 1 hour straight on gold. see what's going on gold. When the hourly bar is closing, they push it so they don't make any shadow. Otherwise, there can be a possible short setup, so it's not possible, you know. Like if they fall here, they will have like a shooting star, so no, it's not possible. Can't do it. It's stuck on top, both DAX and gold. The Americans are going down a little bit. Okay, we have to wait, so I will stay with you a little longer. So we will see if we can manage these trades. Can be so long here, the situation, because DAX is stuck on top and I guess it will break it very soon. So let's try to understand. Okay, it's on top, it make his stop and we are in this position. There should be a lot of resistance here, so it should be a good area to be short actually. And of course for my method it's perfect, this trade, so there is nothing wrong with this. but most probably will take so to buy a second time, to sell, sorry, a second time and close it afterwards, unless it does like Nasdaq yesterday, that it seems to break up, seems to break out, and then afterwards it fall down so bad. Don't expect something special, but just 20 points scalp is the minimum. So let's see what's going on. DAX is around our entry price. Gold is still going up. Forget about it. But it's 2 minutes to the closure of the hourly bar, so now it will not go down because we already know how the game works. Americans are going down, both Nasdaq and Dow Jones, but DAX is very strong now. It's holding the position so much, doesn't go down, not even 10 points. So we almost it's almost 5 o'clock in Europe, in Frankfurt, so it will be the last half an hour for DAX, but I guess if they will make this move, I expect we'll have to wait the closure of Frankfurt, because now the hourly candle will close and they will start buying again. Exactly. The trick is so easy to detect. It's all artificial, guys. It's not a normal market. This is something that it's clearly manipulated, and it's more than usual, because normally, yes, there is manipulation, but there are some rules. Now it's all like, okay, let's go until we can. Okay, I'm ready for the second position. When we will have a red candle, we will make the second one. And look, this is the third deviation of the VWAP. So we also reached that. Okay, so we are expecting new top for DAX alone. No clues about what's the mover for Europe. I don't know. And tomorrow we'll go up again, because on Friday you always go up, always. So only last Friday it was a short day and it was the only one. They make one minus 4%, okay, finish. It's already enough as a pullback. 4% after 50%. Crazy. Let's see. So wait and see. Let's see if DAX comes here and we will sell it again. I missed the pull, the trigger, and it's too much. Okay, better. Okay, so now the average price is 24,250. So I will set a work. So we have position, we have a target at 44, it make 48. So let's see if they can make it. While gold, another another all-time high. And they buy again. How is it possible they buy a candle like this on top and they buy again there? No way. It's not possible, guys. This is a fraud 100%. It's not possible. What is this? What the fuck is this? No way. So stupid market. I want to have more than. I will accept a better target because now they for sure try to reach another top, but if they don't and they break this candle, they will break more than my expectation, because I was trying to just take this plus a little bit shadow, but they stopped 4 points before the target, so I can insist, and if they go to another level, I will make the third entrance and I will raise the target, but for now I will put it here, because if they don't go to another top, and they will go, but if they don't, in case, they will go even here, so I can earn more money. Look, gold. What the fuck is this? They never stop, even though the slope is going down, so, and they go up like this, like crazy. No way. This is an insane market, guys. This is insane. Look, what is this? I never saw something like this without data or something, without some movers. They just go up with no reason. They make a candle like this and they buy over again. So stupid. They are already outside the third deviation standard of the WAP, that it means only 0.3% chance to go over there. The good part is that I will have a bigger gain, but I will have to wait a lot and stay here a lot. And I wanted to stop because I'm tired, but I have to stay here. Okay. Do you have any suggestion for alternative markets to gold? Because after this I want to trade. I don't want to trade it anymore because it's so stupid market. I don't like it. So if you have another suggestion, but it should be something compatible with Renko. Okay, I show you this. I have another signal of reversal for DAX. Now it's disappeared because it's below, you see, reversal short, because it's outside the VWAP, but the slope is still negative on 1 hour chart. So that means that DAX is there, should be there. And this is a very good signal, guys. So it's 2 wrong. The third one will be a good one because it's 1, 2, 3. The third one will be a good one. 90%. And gold still going. New time high, no way to stop it. No, Daniela, I will not join the forex side of the force. I won many forex contests, but it's so boring. If it bores me when it doesn't swing on stock market, can you imagine what it will be on forex? I will get mad. No, no. No, no. Maybe GBP, JPY, so pound Japanese yen, maybe is the only one it's possible to take into consideration. Okay, now there will be a breakout of the top of DAX for sure, because it's the third attempt, and we go on and on. Okay, so now it's 10 minutes to the closure of Frankfurt. So I guess it will be the last 10 minutes for DAX before pullback, because it's time, guys. It's really, really time. It's almost time, I guess. So we just need to wait for a red candle both on gold and DAX. This time will be the good one. Seven minutes to the closure of Frankfurt. Nasdaq is going down now. Dow Jones as well, and DAX, we don't know why, but is going up alone. So it's 5 minutes now. Look how they buy back. Why? Why you have to buy on top in the end of the session when it just missed 3 minutes? What the reason? No way. It's not normal behavior. Gotta be patient, guys, especially until the end of the year will be a slaughter. It'll be so boring. At least you see when market goes down a little bit, it's becoming more interesting because there is more volatility, better swing. When it goes up like this with no swing, and it's the same. DAX and gold, they go and never stop. Okay, third one. So now is our price is 62, and okay, so I will select all and put a bulk. Oops. Okay, so now our new target is 24,255. So we are down 25 points at the moment. So let's see if DAX has the strength to go down. You can see it on candles here. Our average price is here, guys, 62. And look how Nasdaq is going down. And Dow Jones as well, but gold and DAX, they keep going, they don't stop. How is it possible they buy here at 1 minute to the closure of the session? I don't understand really, guys. I don't understand why it's like this, like crazy. It closed one candle and then it goes up. They lose 20 points and then they start buy again on DAX. It doesn't make sense, especially because, as I told you, the Frankfurt Stock Exchange is closing now. 20 seconds and it close. Why you buy it now? What's the after a 200 points rally without any pullback in the middle, just push, break, push, break, push, break, no pullback at all, zero. And like in USA they lost 150 points, so I don't know. Now Frankfurt is closed. Let's check. Let's see if DAX goes now. Should be time. It's about time. At least they finally close 2 red bars in a row. This one doesn't exist. Let's see if they accelerate enough to reach our target price. Almost reached its top. It was there. For 1 point we didn't have our target. Such a pity. It was just so close. Nice. 56, we have 55. And they buy again. Oh my god, it's crazy. They buy again for what? Why you buy again? After just one candle selling with a lot of volume, said they buy again. This is the story of this day. I will try to get a little bit more from this trade, because if they go down they will have a little more space, but it will be like 50 euro more, and with this extra gain I will sell all gold in loss, because it's a small one on gold. I only use, yes, I'm losing this 50 euro, so I don't care. Let's see if we can make it. No, they buy again. I don't know, guys, what to tell. I didn't expect this. It should be a very good short one this time, but no. No way. Okay, so maybe let's see. I'll buy again. And they go on top for what? And volumes only when they sell. When they buy, no way. When it's like this, it drives you crazy, guys. I don't know where we can find some patience enough to hold on to this. And now the headphones are annoying me so much after 2 hours and a half. Cannot keep it on anymore. Okay, so let me stop here a little bit. Okay. Alright, much better like this because I can't hold on. Perfect. And we are still there again. It was just a couple of points and it was already done, but no. It was both here and here. It was enough to break down a little bit and it will be perfect, but no way. So okay, let's talk to that. Gold chart, yes, it's crazy. They never stop. They don't know what is the red button. And even on DAX today, because on DAX is like so stubborn today, they just make 2 red candle, 20 points, 30 points, pull back, and that's it. After 200 rising straight. No way. And also the Bollinger are closing down, so it's supposed to be the good moment to make a 50 points pullback. They make it 30, 35, that's it. Unbelievable today. And they still going. Where? I again over the VWAP again. And already 2 times, both here and here, I can close the trade for just 1 point. Even unlucky. Okay, so in 5 minutes I have to go, guys. I will manage myself this trade and I will show you tomorrow what's going on. Or maybe if you are following the Telegram channel, and you have the link on the description for YouTube, and you have it on chat on Twitch, I will show what happened with this. Now we make the third attempt, and we go with the target point 7 point. I say 7. Okay, so now our target price is 64.80. So we are still down 25-26 points, and see if we manage. Let's see if they want to make a final pullback and serve us. That will be nice. Okay, the first one they make, they have to make the second one, close it, and finalize the trade. But they are already buying again. How is that possible that they don't need even a break when Nasdaq is going down so much? I don't know. Come on. And they buy again. Okay. No way. Come on, what it takes to go down by 10 points more. It's nothing. It's truly nothing. But they don't want. In America they are buying again, so DAX will go to make another top, I don't know. That's crazy. That's really crazy. Look, also gold never stop. This one is lasting too much. They start 40 minutes ago and they stuck there. And on DAX they buy again. What the fuck? It's not possible. Really not possible. they make 1 minute sell bar and they bite back. It's impossible like this, really impossible. It makes me crazy. They don't even have the patience to wait, let him go down a little bit and buy with a decency. No, they just bite. Anytime they sell 1 minute, 2 minutes, because it's 2 minutes start, they buy again. And they buy again. This is a huge manipulation. It's not normal, something like this. There's no way. You see this candle? They try to test this one after all this volume and they buy again and they don't let it go down. Not even a little bit. Look, Nasdaq is going down and Dow Jones as well, and DAX is holding on. I don't know how. You're talking about 20 points, nothing more. They don't do it. And they buy again. There is no swing here. Okay, another attempt. Let's see if they have the strength to go down 12 points now. And we will be done. Okay, another 6. And they make a spike. Oh my god. Come on, push it. It's so, it isn't so hard. It isn't so hard. And they make the spike. What the hell is this? Gold is dead there. Just dead. Doesn't go up, doesn't go down. Stuck there. The same as well as DAX. This is not manipulation. I don't know what is it. And they buy the DAX again. This time we need another 6 points, but it's a lot because they don't go down, they don't go anywhere. Just 1 minute sell and it's already a good moment to buy. And Americans are going down. I don't understand this situation, guys. I really don't understand, but for me it's late now and I have to go. So I'm sorry. I will show you tomorrow if I survive this trade, and but I'm pretty sure I will, because I know this pattern, it shakes you off that much and then afterwards they give you what you have to take. So let's see. Okay, let's close this candle because it seems to going down. Maybe we will have the chance now. Just 1 minute to see how it closes and I will tell you something more precisely. And if I go to target here on DAX, it will be 300 euro and I will close this gold because I don't want to see it anymore. I'm so tired of gold It's not possible that a market stuck like this. Let me show you with candlestick what I'm meaning. Do you think, oh sorry. Do you think a normal market not manipulated can do something like this on an all-time high with no activity? What the fuck is this? This is not real market, guys. I don't like to talk like this, but this is not real market. So, considering the situation, I don't have strength anymore to go on. I'm tired, I'm pissed off with the market. So, we will see tomorrow, same place, same time, and I will be here half an hour before the Wall Street opening. So thank you very much to be here with me, almost 3 hours, and I will be with you tomorrow. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye, guys.